The data doesn't lie. Rural students are less likely to receive a higher education because they're more likely to experience challenges like lack of resources or poverty. However, now state education leaders are coming together to bridge that gap. Arizona is home to expansive and beautiful rural areas across the state. However, students living in these areas have fewer education options.
There are real barriers to success in some rural communities. Those might be transportation infrastructure, those might be technological infrastructure.
Peter Boyle with the Center for the Future of Arizona also says another hurdle was the pandemic, which is still impacting test scores.
We saw very significant drops in the 2021 scores. In 8th grade math, they haven't yet rebounded at all.
On Monday, rural education leaders came together in Prescott to talk about their struggles and find solutions.
No one's coming to save Yavapai County.
Coconino and Yavapai counties are working to keep teachers longer at the K-12 level. However, rural students are about 15% less likely to get a higher education, like a bachelor's degree or higher.
Yeah, so at Yavapai College, we did a hope survey and found that our students had many different needs outside of just their academic needs.
Dr. Doug Berry, who's the provost at Yavapai College, says to help bridge this gap, they're trying to make a college education more attainable, from providing affordable housing and childcare to 92-credit bachelor degrees.
As an administrator, I see my role now is to remove barriers for our faculty and staff so that they can be the very best that they can be and our students can have the success that they want.
The idea is by bringing these topics to the table, they can find solutions and get more rural students into higher education and working in higher paying jobs in our state.
To really meet the demands of our growing workforce, we will need to increase that number even further in the future.
Reporting in Prescott, Mason Carroll for Arizona's Family.